The Arthur series. Birds. Arthur wants to go outside. He can see a big black bird on the grass. "Woof," he says to his lady. "Woof, woof." But she's not listening. He scratches the door and looks at her again. She's talking on the telephone. Arthur can hear his friend Susie in the telephone. He leaves the doormat and trots over to his lady. He sits very, very still and sticks out his pink tongue. "Oof," he says, but she's still not listening. He makes his sad noise. She always hears when he does this, he says. But she's still not listening. He walks round her foot. She has only one foot on the floor. He sniffs the carpet. Where's the other foot, he thinks. He reaches out his paw and pats her toes. She moves her foot away. She's still talking. He listens to Susie's voice again. He's sad. Where's Susie? He wonders. Perhaps I can pull her out of the telephone, he thinks. He's forgotten all about the big black bird outside. He bites the telephone cord. He will find Susie, and they can play. Susie has long hair that tickles his nose. Susie, he thinks. "Oof," he says, and he pulls the cord very hard with his tiny, sharp teeth. "Arthur," scolds his lady. He looks up. She stopped talking. He listens hard. Susie has stopped talking too. "Oh," thinks Arthur. He sees a hand reach down. His lady has tucked him under her arm and they're moving towards the door. "I do not want to go in the garden," he thinks, and wriggles. "Oof," he says. "Oof, oof." "Yes, Arthur," replies his lady. "Out you go, and be a good boy." There are two big black birds pecking the green grass. Birds, he thinks. Games, he thinks. Outside, he thinks. "Woof, woof," he says. And as he is put gently down on his short, white, furry legs, he scampers outside with delight. The end.